Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and I figured I'd mix it up today and record this one outside. So what I have here for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of yet again some more smartphone video production equipment. So what I'm gonna unbox and give you guys and gals my first impression of today is the TARION, T-R-A-I-O-N, TARION. Man, these things need to come with some pronunciation guides. Universal spring-loaded smartphone mount. Alright, and y'all can see this bad boy came in a really small box. So much so, it was a struggle to get the package open. So we had the beast molded in here. And y'all can see it's pretty much a plain white box, nothing but the barcode information there. And then right here, taking it out the box, this is the product itself. So the TARION smartphone mount. And what's neat about this one, why I decided to pick it up, aside from the price, which I'm just gonna go ahead and spoil right now, I picked this up from Amazon for $10. So this is a really good price. But what's really neat about this smartphone mount, aside from the price, is the fact that it's fully adjustable. Now, it is spring-loaded, and you guys and gals know how I feel about spring-loaded things, but it's fully adjustable. It has a hot shoe mount, and it has the two different mounting points. So I can mount it on my tripod or anything with a regular thread from the front, or I can mount it on my tripod or anything with a regular thread from the bottom. So I get the two different mounting points. And just to put this into perspective for y'all, the what's that? ANGGO video production kit, the current review that I'm working on right now, has a spring-loaded smartphone mount clip here, similar to this style, but I really don't like the spring loading on that one. But during my testing of that one, I see now why it's important to have this front mounting thread, because this allows for a little bit extra or better positioning on my on my tripods or anything that I want to mount. So I kind of like that front mounted position there, but I didn't like the spring loading on the other one. So I figured, let me jump on Amazon. Let me see if they have one that's a little bit more durable and at a decent price, and that's how I found this one here. So, real quick demo before I wrap the video up, just so y'all can see how this fits on my device. Let me pause for a second, let me clean up the table a little bit, and I'll be right back with the demonstration for y'all. Be right back. Alright, so we're back, and guys and gals, I gotta tell y'all, this was extremely easy to put on, and I actually like the spring-loaded mechanism on this mount here. So here is my Google Pixel XL inside of the TARION smartphone mount. I really don't know how to pronounce that, so I apologize if I'm butchering that. But you can see it goes on fairly no problem. Now I really like this one because it's easy to put on and take off, and it should work with any smartphone that I have. And again, it incorporates that hot shoe mount, so if I wanted to mount up my Boya microphone or anything like that, it should work no problem. If I wanted to mount up my lights, it should work no problem. So really versatile, really nice build quality, I can tell from the first impressions. And again, my main reason for picking this up was the mounting points. So we got the front mounting point, and we got the bottom mounting point. So really good stuff. And this pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of this smartphone mount here. Now my full review of this should probably take me about a week to do. I'm pretty good with these smartphone mounts at this point. At that point, when the week is up, I'll come back with my full review. We'll go over the build quality, we'll go over the design, we'll go over the compatible devices, some use case scenarios, all that good stuff. and I'll give you guys and gals a recommendation or two. Alright? Now, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Matter of fact, let's put it like that. That looks pretty cool. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos, alright? If this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up this inexpensive smartphone mount for yourself, all the links to where to pick this mount up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, this whole video was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8 in the 18:9 aspect ratio at 1080p 30 frames per second. And all of the audio you guys and gals are hearing for this video was recorded using the Amazon Basics cardioid microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality. Also, stabilizing this footage today, we're using the ANGGO, I'm killing this name, the ANGGO video production kit. That's ANGGO. ANGGO, I'm not sure how you say that. So, please let me know what you think of the overall stabilization as well as how y'all feel about this angle today. This is actually my favorite angle, but I am willing to mix it up if you guys and gals don't like it. So please let me know what you think down below in the comments. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.